Exercise 4A, we're going to build a geodatabase. So in this exercises, we're going to test the feasibility of switching the city's data collection to the geodatabase model. We will populate an empty geodatabase by converting shapefiles and mapping XY location values found in a spatial table. All the outputs will be placed in the geodatabase. Then we will create an attribute domain in the geodatabase and apply it to the water lines feature class. This will ensure that valid values are entered into the table during the editing process. In a new project, convert shapefiles that represent various city water features into geodatabase feature classes. Convert a table that stores attributes and XY location points, but no shape field into a point feature class. In the city maintain geodatabase, create a coded domain for the pipe diameter field so that entries are constrained to the standard pipe diameter measurements of 4, 6, 8, or 12 inches. Apply the domain to the water lines feature classes. So right now, the first one, we're going to convert shapefile to geodatabase feature class. And it will be the city maintain folder and city maintain project. We're going to open it up. So at this point, the map contains only a base map layer streets. And then in the project pane, we're going to go to view. It's still loading. All right. And we're gonna go to view and then projects. Pan and expand folder city maintain. Is doc somewhere? Alright, let me bring it back. I don't see where it docked. Contents, attribute. Oh, where's my project? Click project again, project pan. I don't see it anywhere. Alright. Okay. This is our map. Project. Close this out. There. Alright. That's why you see this bar. Okay. Alright. Let me dock it again. There. Alright. Okay. The project includes an empty geodatabase. So we're gonna go to folder, city maintain, and data. This is city geodatabase. Right now it's empty. We don't see anything inside of it. The empty toolbox right here, city maintain toolbox, and a data folder that has 4 shapefile and a table CSV. So we're going to convert these shapefiles into geodatabase features classes in city maintain geodatabase. Suppose we have to create a new geodatabase. We're going to right click on database in the project pane and click new file geodatabase. So right here, you're going to right click new and then Python toolbox, no. This folder. Okay, right here, new database. Add a database. New file geodatabase, or you can also add an existing file geodatabase or create connection to an enterprise geodatabase that resides on a server. So you can see new ArcGIS server connection, database connection, add file connection. So we're going to search for a tool to help to convert the shapefile into geodatabase feature classes. So now we're going to go back to GIS processing. That we're going to look for tools, and then I'm going to type find tools. We're going to convert. All right. So in the search box of the geoprocessing panel, we already typed convert. Hover over the feature class to feature class tool to read its tooltip. So here we're going to find is feature class to feature class, feature class to feature class, feature class to feature class. It's right here, conversion tool. That it says converts a shapefile. Let me hover again. Converts a shapefile coverage feature class or geodatabase feature class to a shapefile or geodatabase feature class. So this tool is the one we're gonna use. So, and then we're going to click open the feature class to feature class tool. From input feature, we're going to add fire hydrants shapefile. And we can either drag the shapefile from the project pane or navigate it to the city maintain data folder. So let me dock my map. So input feature, that will be, go to my data. So fire hydrants, and then click OK. And for output, maintain the default setting. City maintain geodatabase, name the output feature class fire hydrants. So output feature class. Okay. And then notice that you can create an expression to convert a subset of the input feature class. You can also delete or modify certain fields when you convert. These are optional settings. You will not use them now. So we're going to click Run. When the process is complete, keep the geoprocessing pane open for now. So right now it's done. And expand the city maintain geodatabase in the project pane to see the new feature class. We're going to go, well, it's right here. Okay. And in the project pane, you can see the city maintain geodatabase under geodatabase or under folder maintain city. So a new feature class is also added. Let's see, it's added. Let me bring view, and then where's my contents? And right here. And I'm going to change its color so we can see a lot better. Right there. So the new feature class is also added to the map. You still have 3 more shapefile to convert. So to avoid the tedium of running the tool 3 more times, instead you will use a script tool that converts multiple files at once. Whenever you find yourself repeating the same process many times as in this data conversion, you should consider looking for a script or consider writing a script yourself. So script automates those repetitive processes instead of you doing manually. In the geoprocessing pane, we're going back here and click the back arrow to return to the tool search. And we hover to the point that pointer over the feature class to geodatabase script. This is script icon to see the tooltip. So it says convert one or more feature class or feature layers to geodatabase feature classes. So in the geoprocessing pane, regular tools are denoted with a hammer icon. So this is hammer icon. And script tools, which combine multiple process and denote with a script icon, scrolled icon. So notice that this tool allows you to convert several datasets at once. This tool is the one you want. So right now, what we're going to do is click this feature class to geodatabase tool for input features. Add waterline shapefile. Yeah, my folders. Waterline shapefile from this folder, and we can either navigate it to drag it there, but I navigate. So in the next step, in box that appear, add water, press zone, click OK, and then output. Oh, still feature class to feature class. I didn't click the correct tool. To geodatabase tool, yep, this one will be. I'm going to navigate. It's in my folder, data, waterline, and output geodatabase. And then the next one we can do water, pressure zone shapefile, and then well. Well shapefile that we have the three. So waterline shapefile, water pressure zone shapefile, and then wells. So for output geodatabase, we're going to browse and select and drag from the project pane that we have here. Okay, city maintain. Exam the new, and then we're going to click run, and we're going to examine the new geodatabase later feature class in the project pane, and we have to refresh the geodatabase first. Right click and going to click fresh, and now it's successfully done, and we're going to refresh, and then we expand. Now everything is added here. So notice that when using the script tool, the feature classes are not automatically added to the map. So we don't see anything. Well, that's good to know. It's not automatically added to the map. And then drag the new geodatabase feature classes, waterline, water pressure zones, and well to the map. Use the Shift or Control key to select them all at once. So what are we gonna do? Control key, and then I'm gonna drag it here to the map. And now you see the table of contents is already added there. So if you want to create a brand new empty feature class, use the Create Feature Class geodatabase tool. You can find it in the Data Management tool set, or launch it from the project pane by right-clicking a geodatabase and click New Feature Class. Then you can populate the feature class by using Construction tool to create features. So we're going to change the line color by right-clicking its symbology in the Contents pane and choosing a dark blue shade from the color palette. Dark blue, not this. Right-click on it and dark blue.